Himachal Pradesh is witnessing a fierce Lok Sabha battle this time. As many as 38 candidates are in the fray for the parliamentary seats Kangra, Mandi, Hamirpur and Shimla. Polling is already underway and it is going to be a litmus test for the Congress. Anurag Thakur, who's contesting from Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh, says that the BJP is aiming for a Congress-free India. This even as he takes on Rahul Gandhi, saying that he is fighting a losing battle.
In the last 60 days, I've been in every nook and corner of my constituency. The response is very positive. The work I've done in the last 5 years is paying for me. And Mr. Modi factor is also a big plus point. And I personally feel people are looking at the national government, that who's going to form the government. From the very beginning, Congress is unable to project that they're going to when they're going to form the government, and they've been criticizing Mr. Modi every time, every day, every hour. And I think this is a time the country is looking at people who can provide them good governance and development model. And I think BJP has been very successful in projecting that once we're going to come into power, we're going to do this for the country. And I think that is working for BJP, whereas Congress has focused only on the negative campaign, which is not going to work today. People who are struggling, who are facing this inflation, price rise, and the corruption in this country wants a stable government, a strong leader, and want the country to move forward. And I think it's the right time. People are voting for the right party.
Let's go live to Shamsher now. Shamsher, Anurag Thakur telling you that BJP is aiming for a Congress Mukt Bharat, but for starters, are they going to manage a Congress Mukt Himachal Pradesh?
Well, that's what they are trying their best to do. In fact, the tally as it stands is 3-1 in favor of the BJP. And I spoke to former Chief Minister Prem Kumar Dhumal and Anurag also a little while ago, and they said that this time around it is going to be 4-0. But at the same time, Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh is sparing no effort to ensure that he doesn't only win the Mandi seat for them, but also he is trying his best to queer the pitch here in Himachal Pradesh, in Hamirpur as well, which is the prestige seat for the BJP, which the party has held for the last 6 terms. Remember, Anurag Thakur has held it for the last 2 terms, and before that, 2 terms it was with his father. Hamirpur is one seat where really the prestige of both the parties is at stake. Remember, the Congress this time has fielded an MLA who has resigned from the Himachal Vidhan Sabha, who was an independent and was one-time protege of Prem Kumar Dhumal, so knows the Dhumals inside out, and he is really giving a tough time to the Dhumals here. But Anurag Thakur still remains confident. But really, the battle in Hamirpur particularly this time looks tougher than before. But
okay, in fact, hold that thought, Shamsher. We're joined now by the spokespersons of the two parties, Congress and BJP, Priyanka Chaturvedi of the Congress. I want to come to you first, and we'll go to Sambit Patra in just a while. Do you think that on his personal charisma, Veerbhadra Singh is going to be able to get Himachal Pradesh for you, Priyanka?
We're absolutely confident about all the states that are going to polls today, and not just Himachal, but all the states where polling is happening. We're absolutely confident, and we're sure that we are going to be getting many seats in Himachal Pradesh, defying all opinion polls.
Okay, opening comments from you, Sambit Patra. Priyanka Chaturvedi confident that all the opinion polls are going to be defied and Veerbhadra Singh is going to manage all the seats practically for the Congress.
Padmaja, before I come to the specifics of Himachal Pradesh, let me state over here on the Times Now Today in front of Padmaja Joshi that this is phase by phase demolition of Congress that is going on. Today is the 8th phase of demolition, and just the last phase of demolition of Congress party is left for the 9th of this month, and then 16th the country would have a Congress Mukt Bharat. India would be free of Congress. But coming to the specifics of Himachal that you'd asked, it is going to be a 4-0 match over here in Himachal, because as far as Veerbhadra Singh, the incumbent Chief Minister, is concerned, he himself has been embroiled in lots of corruption charges. Their family members also have been embroiled in corruption charges, and I believe the people of Himachal Pradesh have realized that now it's time that Congress has to be shown the door.